Sawyer's Grasshopper is the fastest and most dependable way to secure a ground to the pipe for welding. A grounding clamp grips a specially designed bolt to prevent arcing. Nylon shielded magnets prevent arcing where they connect to the pipe, while preventing stretching or slacking. The arc bolt makes brother-in-law welding on large diameter pipe possible by allowing multiple welders to ground to the same device. The Grasshopper was designed to be as light as possible to prevent fatigue. Sawyer's engineers ergonomically designed the Grasshopper to allow quick and simple placement and removal from the pipe. Arc burn solved. Industry transformed.